In my previous video, I created an isometric grid to draw on by creating a dot, then 6 dots in a hexagon shape around it. I then went through every one of those dots and drew 6 new dots in a hexagon shape around those ones. To avoid creating the same dot game object twice, I checked that a dot didn't already exist in that position first. I would repeat this process outwards as many times as I asked of my draw outwards method. I thought of a more elegant way to draw the grid, which is by creating the middle dot, then drawing hexagons around it of increasing sizes. The way I went about this is that in each new outer layer, I would first calculate the 6 points of my hexagon edge. This was done by calculating the sine and cosine of the current radian, which went from 0 to tau, then scaling those according to spacing of my grid and the layer currently being drawn. To calculate the points between the edges, I use vector3.lerp to calculate the positions between the points in an equidistant manner. Since it's the same game objects being instantiated as in the last video, I don't need to update any other code or prefabs for me to be able to draw on my grid. You made it to the end, thank